Hey guys, today we will be making the Wither Storm from Minecraft Story Mode, which looks like this. Now it's been a while since I've uploaded a new tutorial, so I'm finally doing another one. You'll need for this project, and also here is what it actually looks like right here. And for this project, you'll need a sheet of paper, a printer sheet of paper, and then you have to fold it into a triangle like this and then cut out the extra right here. That's what I did. And now unfold. And then to make it smaller, so it'll be easier to draw or to color, is to fold it right here and then make it easier to see. Mark fold right here. Don't fold the whole thing, just mark fold. And then here you can see it. I'll do it again, just so you can see a better look. Mark, fold it like this, and then fold this part to the mark fold that you made, and then crease the whole thing. And then take this corner, and then take it and fold it, pinch it, and then take it to the side. And then this crease line right here, you have to line it up with the edge of the paper. So edge it right here. You can crease that. And then unfold. And then you can take some scissors and cut that out. But I'm just going to, you can even rip it. You can cut it out or rip it. But since I don't have any scissors here, I'll just rip it instead. Keep creasing it. And then take it and then rip it like that. Okay, and then keep creasing around on the other side. Crease with your nails. And do it on the other side like this. And now, rip it on that line. And now that you've made your square sheet of paper, not too big, not too small, now we're going to make a bird base. So fold it in half like this. Did that on my last video. It was funny. And then once you crease that, open this up and then crease down right on here. Almost like you're making a tadpole head, like the easy tadpole origami. And then you can fold this right here. That would be good to do. I don't know why, but I'll do it. And then flatten that down right here. And then we got like a diamond shape or Superman logo. If we folded it down like this, it would be a Superman logo. So now let's fold these two parts right here. This is going to be the folds to help out with making the bird base. And then fold it on the other side like this. Flip it over. And then do the same on this side. And if you want, you can fold this down, or you can also just do it like this. Take the folds and then move it up, bend it out like this a little, and then fold it down, crease it, and then you can do the same thing on the other side. Bend it up, fold it in, and then crease it down like that. And now the same thing on the other side. If I'm going too fast, you can also just pause the video if you want. Okay, there we go. Now fold these up if you want to. And then you could also just fold this once right here. So then you could, for the next step, and this is very optional, it might come in handy. You fold this into here, because you don't want a pointy back for the Withered Storm. It's really smooth, except it has like a little dunk right here. But this is as good as I could do for the origami project. And now fold it to the other sides and then do the same thing. Fold it this way, then this way. And now that we got a bunch of folds like that, unfold the whole thing. This might be a little tricky for you starters out there. So now you pinch these sides like this. And then once you pinch them, collapse them together and then fold it back in. And next, oh wait, I do have scissors. Okay, never mind. Get out some scissors or rip it and then cut this part right here. This is going to be one of the tentacles of the Wither Storm. Now that we got that cut out, you have to position it. You can position it. You can position it any way you like. You can do it how I did, or you can do it how I'm doing it now. Anyways, I'll just do it now. Okay. And then once you've done that, you fold it like that. You want to make them skinnier and more slim. So you fold that in like that. Same thing with the other side. And then get these These are the other tentacles. Fold them down like this. Hold on. Here we go. Like that. And then for these, instead of just folding it like this, open it up like this and then fold it in to make that skinnier. Since there's 2 layers, I've got to fold the 2 layers in like that. And now same thing on the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. And then, now to get to the positioning. Just tilt it and bend it or pleat it like that. And then you can keep tilting, or you can color it before you do that. That might be handy. So we'll do that. So right now, we'll keep it like this. And basically, we're almost done. All we need to do is to make it kind of moving. We do the tail. And then here's another step, which is optional. You could put pieces of tape onto the parts that are sticking out. You could do double-sided tape or roll up regular tape and then put them on. Just stick them both together so they don't stick out on the back. And then, actually I'm not going to color it, but you could add details to it. You could add a face, you could use Sharpie or a black marker and detail it like this. Even do the teeth and use purple marker on the eyes. And if you want, you can also make tractor beams. And now I'll finish with tilting the tentacles to make them adjusted and looking better. Now do the same thing on the other tentacle. Okay. Now the other one. And the last one right here. And yeah, that's your wither storm. You can also add some details to it, and then you can make it look like this, maybe. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make the wither storm. Bye!